Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll take a look at the Brightech Sky Floor Lamp, exploring its key features, quick start guide, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Brightech Sky Floor Lamp, a power adapter, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Installation. Place the Brightech Sky LED floor lamp base on a stable surface and attach the lamp body securely into the base. Install the LED fixture head onto the top of the lamp pole and tighten all connections properly. Connect the adapter to the lamp and plug it into a suitable power outlet. After assembly, use the touch control on the lamp to turn it on and adjust the brightness level. The lamp is now ready for use. Smart features? The Brightech Sky LED floor lamp features touch control for quick operation. Tap the control area to turn the light on or off and adjust brightness easily. The built-in LED provides bright and efficient lighting with adjustable brightness levels. Customize the light output for different activities and room settings. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Brightech Sky Floor Lamp. See you in the next one.